good morning, good day, and good night wherever you may be. This is Art Thomas, and I have acquired ataxia from seizures and strokes to the cerebellum. I created a video previously called Bodyweight Exercises Part 1, which I'll put a link in the description below, but in this video which some exercises are similar, but we are using the balance pad. Finishing with the prison squat. First we will begin with the arms out squat as demonstrated. This is the same exercise that I did in a previous video, but as you can see I'm using the balance pad. The balance pad makes this simple exercise that much harder. If you get comfortable with completing this exercise without the balance pad, bring the balance pad in, and then the difficulty increases. By using the balance pad it will make you that much stronger and will also help your balance. As demonstrated, I am using the exercise bench to ensure my rear hits every time I go down. Also, make sure you always keep your arms out as shown in this video. As always with this type of workout you want to complete 3 sets, such as 3 sets of 20 reps. Exercise number 2 is the sitting squat using the balance pad as demonstrated. You use the balance pad as your base to have your feet on. In the description below I'll put a link on what balance pad I use. This is a very hard exercise but even more difficult with the balance pad. This will also help your strength and balance. I personally really love the balance pad because it helps you with your everyday activities, especially if you have ataxia or any other neurological disorder. With this particular exercise you hold the squat position for however many seconds. Me personally I hold for 30 seconds and do 3 reps. Did I start here? No. I can't remember where I started, but start with 10 seconds or so and go up if 10 seconds is too easy. My personal trainer might have better insight on this. His link is in the description below. He helps people with disabilities, not just with ataxia. He has clients that have suffered strokes, etc. Finally we get to the prison squat as demonstrated. I left the balance pad out of this one for the time being, but can be added in the future to make it more difficult. Just like the first exercise I'm using the workout bench to ensure my rear hits every time I go down. Just like with all exercises in this video you don't need to be at the gym or need a workout bench. You can do this at home. With the prison squat put your hands behind your head and ensure you do your best to keeping your elbows out at all times. Naturally your elbows want to go in, but keep reminding yourself to keep them out. I know I always do because my elbows keep wanting to go in because it makes the exercise easier. Just like the first exercise in this video, complete 3 sets, such as 3 sets of 20. Please help the channel out and bring awareness to ataxia, which is extremely rare, by pressing that like button, sharing this video, subscribing to the channel, and click that bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. It's all free and thank you.